In this video, you'll learn how to add an email account to Zoho CRM. This process will enable you to manage your emails directly within the CRM platform, streamlining your workflow and improving communication. To begin, navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. You can do this by entering the relevant URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard with various options available on the screen. Next, locate and click on the setup icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. This action will take you to the settings section of Zoho CRM, where you can configure various features. After that, find and select the channels option from the menu on the left side of the screen. This section contains settings related to communication channels, including email. Once you are in the channels section, click on email. This will open the email configuration settings, allowing you to set up your email account with the CRM. Following this, click on the email option again to proceed to the next step. This will lead you to the email integration settings, where you can configure your email account. Now, click on Configure Email. This option is essential for connecting your email inbox with Zoho CRM. So ensure that you are on the correct page before continuing. You will then see an option that says Connect your email inbox with Zoho CRM and transform the way you do sales. Click on this to initiate the connection process. Next, you will be prompted with options to access customer emails within Zoho CRM. Click on Access your customer emails with holistic CRM information to enable this feature. Continue by selecting Send and Receive Mails from inside CRM records. This integration is crucial for managing your emails effectively within the CRM environment. Then click on Synchronize your email inbox with Zoho CRM. This synchronization allows for real-time updates and ensures that all your communications are linked to the relevant CRM records. Next, click on Get Started. This will initiate the configuration process for your email account. You may need to wait a few moments for the system to process your request. Once the configuration options are displayed, click on Email Integration. This step is necessary to finalize the integration of your email account with Zoho CRM. After that, you will see another option to connect your email inbox with Zoho CRM and transform the way you do sales. Click on it again to confirm the action. Now select Zoho Mail from the options presented. This ensures that you are integrating the correct email service with Zoho CRM. Following this, click on Configure. This step will lead you to the settings where you can input your email details. Next, click on Display Name. This is where you will enter the name that will be associated with your email account. Type in your desired display name in the provided field. This name will be visible to recipients of your email sent through Zoho CRM. Now click on Email Address. Here you will input the email address that you want to connect to Zoho CRM. Type in your email address in the specified field. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid any issues with email delivery. Next, click on Password. This field is where you will enter the password associated with your email account. Type in your password accurately. Make sure it matches the one used for your email account to establish a successful connection. Finally, click on Configure. This action will complete the setup process for your email account within Zoho CRM. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the setup is successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.